Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Using banner ads for traffic. Ramp up your business with banner advertising. All types of advertising is beneficial to online and offline businesses. However, choosing the type of advertising that is most suitable would give it the edge the campaign needs to take it to the next level. Banner ads will do that. Chapter 3: Finding the right audience. Advertising is very important to ensuring the target audience is reached successfully. Banner advertising has proven to be quite a useful tool when implemented properly. Get a grip on the audience. When most people are surfing the internet for any useful information, they will be attracted to advertisement teasers which may appear on the screen. This then creates the interest to open the sites, if the information is interesting to the said target audience. When the decision is made to use banner ads for advertising and customer awareness purposes, choosing the web page that it is to be featured on also makes a difference in its acceptance and interest levels. Besides being much cheaper, banner ads perform better when featured on targeted web pages. This is mainly to ensure the right target audience is reached instantly and cost-effectively. Visually striking ads are very effective in drawing the target audience desired. Using the various tools to decide on what type of design or content will most portray the site's content will be what determines the interest in the site for drawing the target audience. The choice made must in some way reflect the idea behind the content of the site, because based on this idea the target audience will be prompted to visit the site. Using brightly colored graphics makes the banner ads even more appealing and noteworthy. Designing the banner ads with the core target audience in mind is always a wise and prudent step to take. The ad content must be relevant and informative to the target audience. Before making the decision to purchase or place the banner ads on a certain web page, having some knowledge of the content the website administrators will be including on the said web page is also